Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable circle to search on your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable circle to search on your Android mobile, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open the Play Store and here you need to search for circle to search. As you can see, the circle to search app has been opened. Just tap to install. After completion of this, just tap to open. Tap on accept. Here you can see circle to search. You have to select this option. Just tap on go to settings. Tap on this default digital assistant app. Tap on this setting icon. In this you have to tap on default digital assistant app. Tap on this. Change from Google to circle to search. Tap on this and tap on OK. Then go back. Now if you long press here, you can see if you select anything, just it will be directly searched. Again, if you long press your home button and search whatever you want, then it will be directly opened. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable circle to search in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.